Greeting all. We are the Scion beings, part of Nalini's guide, and we would like to share messages regarding nature spirit within cities, or what you may call concrete jungles. Know that in this moment of time, many of nature's spirits and essence of Pachamama are able to reach, or your awareness is able to intertwine with their presence more and more in this moment of time. And we express our gratitude for your heart and for pursuing your calling to reconnect with us, and most importantly, reconnect with yourselves as nature. If you can, imagine yourself as a tree. Whatever tree that calls on you, whatever tree that comes through your heart and your imagination. Within rich, so-called nature ground, the roots of the trees, the leaves, the branches, the insects, the mycelial network of the fungi companions and animals are all connected deeply with high awareness of one another. However, within the concrete jungle, it just takes in this moment of time of a little extra imagination, that's all. So if you imagine yourself a tree within the park or within a building, know that you as a tree, just like the trees that in the park in the urban setting, or trees that are placed within condominiums and high buildings, are able to sense the other trees nearby energetically. You can do so as well. From where you are, as yourself, as a tree, as your human body, as nature, is too able to sense nature spirit near to your energetic radiance. The key is feel from the heart and imagine so. The other nearest tree or the other nearest plant ground. And perhaps you'll be able to sense the fairies, the elementals, the insects, the butterfly, the birds that carry messages to you. We are here to remind you that you are not separated from us. Yes, certain kind of living can create further experience of separation or closeness to nature. However, if any of you find yourself in this moment of time that you are not able to get to rich, lush, so-called nature ground, you can always extend your heart awareness, your imagination to connect through yourself as nature. And know that all the energy that you are feeling is the webs, the thread that woven together. Then from heart awareness, you will be able to discern any feelings within you that intertwine you with old emotions or thoughts. Be aware of them as energy and return into your centerness. Return into your heart, your energetic roots that dig deep down and connect with heart of earth, and your tall branches that reach the heart of the sky. Whatever fears, whatever worries, whatever that no longer serves, or any overstimulation, give away to earth. And as you reconnect deeper with your body as part of nature, you amplify the frequency of this awareness. Telepathically, energetically. And take action to create an experience of physical contact with the trees, the flowers, whenever you can. To enhance the energetic template of nature's spirit within urban settings. Whenever you can, welcome more plants into your space. But most importantly, know that your body too is nature. So thank you for tuning in, and also I feel the call as well to share a little bit of reflection of the energy that we're flowing into for this upcoming Hunter's Moon or Full Moon in Aries. And if you can hear a bit of the construction noise in the background, that really is Bangkok Symphony that we get at time. So Hunter's Moon, Full Moon in Aries brings up fire and also the energy around the head area. And at times this can come up and plays into extreme duality and extreme polarized view. At this moment, we too having the energy of Orionid meteor shower. Excuse my pronunciation. Meteor shower that's coming through the Orion's belt, which will be at peak on the 21st of October. It's beginning now. And this is what we are feeling in this moment of time as well, the lesson of Orion that they're reflecting upon us. Transcending deep plurality, deep duality. And the process of transcending deep plurality and deep duality, we have to be mindful of how much we still play into guilt, shame, and blame. How much we are still blaming for the low emotions we feel on others. And how can we be aware of the ability to respondability. How we can remove ourselves from the seductions and temptations of projection, anger, frustration, addictive habit. And this may require a little bit of unplugging from any stimulations that may amplify those habits for us to return into true awareness. Because too, the Orion beings, the hunter, the warrior, had to learn their lesson not to fight fire with fire. To come back into the state of true compassion and awareness, light of awareness within. So feel and see how this may assist each of you in this moment of time. Ni sa I omania takurani anani mati iaso o nanika rua atisia mana. Power is always there. It's depending to how we channel our power, where we channel our focus into. That's where the power goes. Just like how the hunter uses his arrow. And thank you. And also I would like to take this opportunity to invite you all. On Sunday 9th of October we are having an online gathering where we will journey into each of our own womb space aligned with the womb wisdom. I will leave also the link in the description. And also anyone who would like to work with me or me and Michael privately, I will leave the link of my website in the description as well. And gratitude once again for taking the time to connect and leave comments below. Thank you for your support. Lots of love to you and take care.